Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. All right, this is for the 5 and 6 speed transmissions. 8 speeds do rather well with the temperatures. If you see your 5-6 speed is high temps and you're at the racetrack or just anywhere daily driving and you want to knock the temps down, the trick is turning the AC on, believe it or not. So I'm going to turn the AC on all the way. All right, and wow, immediately it starts dropping because the fans turn on up front, all right, which is pulling air through the transmission cooler, all right. I haven't found any other way to cool it down any quicker than turning the AC on, and it doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, whatever. All right, this works. Really, truly does. So immediately dropped. It'll keep dropping. Oh, the other trick too is to circulate. Hit the gas just a little bit. And so what I'm letting it do is I'm letting it cool in the cooler. Hit the gas and let it circulate. It's got to cool. All right, hit the gas a little bit. Come on, buddy. It's real hot because I was just doing some burnouts and whatnot. You can do it. There it is. Right, takes a little bit of work. It might jump up a little bit, but it'll go back down. Come on, buddy. There you go. See, what I should do is put the electric fan conversion on here and wire it up where I can turn it on when I want to. That would be a cool idea. All right, so it works, believe it or not. Might take a little time, but it's not as much time as like really just sitting there and let it sit, right? It'll go. Come on, baby. Let's get a 1 to 69 or something before I cut the video off. Yes, it is not an extremely fast process, but it is the fastest process I've found so far, all right, without adding equipment. All right, yeah, my nose now is running because it is cold outside and I have the AC on in here, so I'm giving myself the sniffles. This is all for demonstration purposes. All right, come on, buddy. We're gonna get 169 and then I'll cut the video. Da 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 dee dee do do. You wanna do it? All right, let it cool inside the cooler and circulate it. Come on. You got this. One more degree. There we go, baby. There we go. All right, now I haven't found any other way to get the temps to drop. I'll get it into that. We'll drop it into the 60s, no problem. Takes a little bit of work. It'll get there. All right, so that's just a little tip and trick. Like I said, it might take a little bit, but it works. All right, AC on. I found if I turn the heater on, that it actually heats up more. All right, having the AC on seems to turn that fan on up front and cool it down. All right, hot damn hell yeah. Sorry if I wasted anybody's time, all right, because I'm not gonna fast forward anything, but there it is, all right, hot damn.